It's your favorite educator, Dr. Kristopher J. Childs. I'm back with another mixtape series. I know it's been a while. I know some of you are saying he's lost it. He's moved on in his career. He done give us these great mixtapes with this great information anymore. I'm back, y'all. Your boy is back. Your favorite educator is back. And with this mixtape series, I'm going to show you all why I love what I do. I'm going to go back to my roots. This mixtape series is very simple. Teaching math made simple, 6 steps. We've convoluted how to teach math. We've made math so hard and so stressful. Most people can't even teach math anymore. Like, we got to get back to the basics of what mathematics is and how we do it. This mixtape series is going to get back to the basics. Understand, if you do my mixtape series, these are one cut. We don't do any editing. They're raw. They're uncut. We just record top to bottom, throw in a couple graphics, boom, we're done. So that's the whole purpose. Raw, unedited footage of how to teach math. We got all these perfect videos out there that, oh my gosh, and all this and that. And guess what? We still don't know how to teach math. So who is this mixtape for? Let me break it down to you. First question you got to ask yourself. Do you want all children under your purview to be academically successful? That's a yes or no question. Do you want all children? Now, I use the term children. I don't use the word students. Why? Students is very formulaic. When I use the term children, that provides me an opportunity to look in through a lens of humanizing who they really are. They are children. They're someone's pride and joy. Doesn't matter if they're in elementary, middle school, or high school. So if you want all children under your purview to be academically successful, this video is for you. Notice when I say children, I said all grade levels. This mixtape is for all grade levels. So it doesn't matter if you're elementary, middle school, or high school. The things we talk about in this mixtape are going to be applicable to you. The second question you got to ask yourself, are you seeking to improve your teaching strategies? If the answer is yes, this mixtape series is for you. Would you like to simplify teaching mathematics in your environment? I'm pretty sure all of us want to simplify. Again, as educators, we've got so many things that we're trying to do in the course of our time block, whether it be 45 minutes or 90 minutes. We're not even teaching math anymore. We're just doing a bunch of stuff. And then at the end of the lesson, we're getting that question from children, why do I got to learn this? Or does everyone understand? I don't even know what we talked about today. Why? We got to simplify how we're doing this thing. So if you want to simplify how to teach math, this mixtape series is for you. So tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend to tune in. Share this link. However you see this video, you make sure you share it. It's going to be 6 tracks. We got an intro, we got an outro, and then 6 tracks in the middle. So about, what is that? 6 plus 2, that's 8, right? Fingers are a tool. Use them. So it's 8. This is an 8-track total, but it's gonna be fire. It's gonna be fire. Because here's the reality, folks. To all my educators out there, no matter where I go in the country, race, disability status, English language learner status, and zip code determine academic outcomes in math. No matter where I go, pull your data. You can pause the mixtape. Go pull your data. Race, disability status, English language learner status, and zip code determine how children are going to perform. All this technology, all this innovation, you watching this through a video, and years ago, you couldn't even watch this through just a video. You would have VHS. Those things determine how children are going to perform. If you want to change that, check out this mixtape series, and it's going to be fire. I'm going to bring that energy. I'm going to bring that old Dr. Childs vibe back. I'm sitting down for this one. You have never seen a mixtape where I'm sitting down. So, you know, this is serious. This is serious business. All right, let's get started. Teaching math made simple, 6 steps. Track number 1. See y'all on the other side.